Alright, welcome to the first devlog for Typewriter Monkeys. First thing we're going to need to make this is a monkey. I wanted to model like a proper cool looking 3D monkey, but it turns out Blender is really hard. So instead I drew this little cardboard monkey in Photoshop, and then I made a model based around that in Blender, which still took forever because I'm really bad at Blender and I've never used it before. But eventually we kind of got there and ended up with this. And it looks okay, I think. So here's our first monkey. Stay tuned for the next episode where I will actually start making the game with a monkey in it.